There's a few different things that can influence how long it takes us to repair a dent. The first thing that we really look at is the overall size of the dent. We will generally allocate about an hour for each inch of damage on a panel, and then a few different things can kind of affect how long it takes from there. Second thing we kind of look at is the overall access to the back side of the dent or where else it's located on the vehicle. The quicker we can get to the back side of the panel to be able to repair the dent, the better we are at getting it done in a timely manner. If the access is a little bit trickier or we need to take more apart, it can take us a little bit longer to fix up the dent from there. The only other thing that we look at after that is if there's any paint damage that we need to remedy with either some touch-up or some wet sanding and buffing. And then once that's complete, generally the repair is complete. So your regular door ding usually is going to be about 1 inch in size to 2 inches. That'll take us about an hour or two. Whereas a smaller dent on a door or easier accessible panel can take us maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes to repair. Now, bigger collision type damage, budget at least a day, sometimes 2 days for a repair like that.